Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear all friends. My name is Kimaya Ashwini Sunil Killare from 2nd standard. Today is 15th August. At first, I wish you very happy Independence Day. Independence Day, most important day for all of us. Because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Rani Lakshmibai and many other fighters entire their life for the independence of our country. Our brave soldiers fight continually on border to protect our country. So, it is our responsibility to sincerely our duties and progress together. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.